Hello, we are 23 days away from this book, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit, coming to your mailbox. It says on April 25th, and today I'm going to read to you from the preface. It's called A New Garden System. If you've put off gardening or quit gardening or not even tried gardening because you thought you didn't have enough space, enough time, enough sun, enough experience, or enough patience, this book is for you. These words, photos, and steps are for anyone who's not gardening because they don't yet have enough. What you're about to read isn't just a how-to book on gardening. It's a gardening system that matches what you already have with a plant that needs exactly what you've got. This 8-step system follows the order of plant growth and shows you that no matter how little or how much space you have, how much time, sun, or experience you have in any given season, always a plant that you can grow right where you are right away. Right, you can pre-order my book right now, and when you do, I want to gift you my new bonus course called Leaves, Roots, and Fruit. You can find out more about it by commenting new book. We'll send you the link to your DMs. You can order the book, and we'll also enroll you in my new course, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit. Thank you so much for your support. I hope now you always believe you always have enough to start gardening.